Hello there, welcome to the October 2020 paper. Here we're looking at question 7. Given that k is a positive constant and this integral here is equal to 4, show that 3k plus 5 root k minus 12 equals 0. Let's go through and do this integration then. So it's the integral from 1 to k. Let's rewrite this integral more in an integratable form. So 5 over 2 x to the minus half, that's how you would rewrite this root x indice, plus 3 dx. This will equal the integral of 1 to k. Oh, in fact, we can start integrating now, can't we? So it's going to be integral of, now you increase the power by 1, so I'll increase it to a half, and then you divide by the new power. So if we divide by a half, that's the same as times in by 2, so it's going to be just 5 now. And then 3 is just going to turn into 3x. So it's going to be from k to 1. This now substitute in, so this thing equals 4. So substitute in, so k substituted in, that would be 5 times k to the power of a half. So this would be the first substitution, plus 3k. And then minus 1 substituted in, so that would be minus 5 plus 3. Let's now simplify what we've got here. K to the power of a half is the same as root k. 3k, that's just 3 times k. Then you've got minus 8, and then minus the 4 as well, so that would be minus 12, equals 0. So there we are, that's the answer for part A. Let's now move on to part B. Hence, using algebra, find any values of k such that this integral equals 4. So basically what we need to do is carry on from part A, which was solve this expression here. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to set k equal to x squared. Reason being is that root k can then be written as just bog standard x, and we don't need to then have any square roots or anything. So what we'll then do is we'll rewrite our quadratic. 3x squared plus 5x minus 12 equals 0. Let's now factorise 3x and x. Now this is a pretty tricky little factorising one here. If we put a minus 4 over here and a plus 3 over here, then that will give me minus 12 plus 3. So no, that's not going to work there. 6 and 2 maybe, that's not going to give me an even number. Maybe if I put the minus 3 on this side and the plus 4 on this side, and that's going to give me 9 plus 4, that's minus 5, so no, other way around. Minus 4x plus 9x, yeah, that's 5x now, so that's good. So it's now going to be 3x equals 4, or x equals 4 over 3, or x equals minus 3. Now we need to go back and work out what k is equal to. So, given that root k equals 4/3, let's work out now what k is going to be equal to. So that will equal 16 over 9. So that's fine, that's one solution. And it's bigger than 1, so that's a good solution as well. But then for the root k equals minus 3, there aren't going to be any solutions there because you can't square root a positive number k to give you a negative number there. So the answer here is just 16 over 9. No solutions for this one down here. So there we are, that's the answer for this question here then. That's worth 7 marks in total, 8 marks in total on question 7. Let's move on to question 8.